The police have extended the curfew in Tucker and Granville, St. James, as they continue to work on restoring calm in the crime-hit area. The political directorate for the area is also condemning the recent attacks with a promise to support tougher measures to help weed out the criminals. More in this report from Carrie Simpson.
Houses and a car on fire while gunshots ring out. It's not a war zone from a movie. The scenes of terror were in Montego Bay, St. James a few nights ago. The acts were reportedly done by gangsters reportedly carrying out reprisal attacks for 2 murders that took place in the Tucker and Granville communities in January. 7 houses and a Toyota Voxy were destroyed by the arsonists and gangsters. Marlene Malahoo Fort is the Member of Parliament for West Central St. James, the area where the gangland activities have been happening.
It is a crying shame that so many of our people feel that they have to settle their scores by taking life. Every time I hear about an alleged murder, somebody has died because of an allegation of murder, it cuts me to the core, and especially when it happens in my constituency. So I really want to call on the warring faction, as I hear it being said. I've had my briefing with the police, and I hear the allegations that are being made. I just want to say killing each other is not the way to settle the score.
The security forces have managed to return a level of calm to the communities with the use of several operations, as well as a curfew which was implemented in the Tucker and Granville communities since Friday. The curfew was due to expire on Sunday evening, but has since been extended until Monday evening.
All of us become victims. All of us, an entire community is under curfew. No, 2 communities. We're all suffering the consequences of the few who choose to settle their scores by gun running and killing each other. We can't afford it.
Mrs. Malahoo Fort, who is also a cabinet minister, said tougher security measures are not being ruled out in the communities.
I don't think it's any secret that the Andrew Holness administration takes the high murder rate seriously. We view the wartime per capita murder rate as an emergency that has to be dealt with because of the consequences that it has on the entire nation and all of us. So we will await the advice of the security forces on the matter and take any action that is lawful to deal with it.
Carrie Simpson for TVJ News.